Morning students, today we are going to solve in exercise 12.3 13th problem. In a given figure, a square OABC inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. This is OPBQ is quadrant and OABC is inscribed a square whose side length, square side length is 20 centimeters. So find the area of the shaded region. We have to find area of the shaded region. To find the area of shaded region, we have to find the sector area and square area. From the sector area, we have to subtract square area. See here, in a square, every interior angle is 90 degrees. So we have the angle for the sector, and we need radius of the sector. But we don't have this total length. OP length we don't have. Only OA side length is having. So this is also 20. This is also 20. This is also 20. So I am joining O and B. Here O and B will be radius of the quadrant. Now if I find OB, you will get the radius. After getting the radius, use theta and radius, we can find the sector area. So by joining OB, you will get right angle triangle here. So this is hypotenuse, this is opposite, this is adjacent. We can find the hypotenuse, right? Solution. What is given first? Given OA length is 20 centimeters. Join OB. Join OB. After joining the OB, we get triangle OBC, a right angle. Right triangle. We get OBC as right triangle, right? In that OB square is equal to OC square plus BC square. So OB square is equal to 20 square 400 plus 400. 400 to 400 800, right? So OB square is equal to what? OB square is equal to 800. OB is equal to root 8 into 100. OB is equal to, how we can write 10 root 8. 10 root 8. 10 root 8, again you can write 4, we can write 4 to the 8, 20 root 2 is OB. OB which is radius, right? We can take this as radius. Therefore radius R is equal to 20 root 2. I got radius of the quadrant. Now I will find area of the square. Therefore area of the square ABC is equal to side square. What is side? Side is given 20 square. 20 square is 400 centimeter square. Right? Now we have the radius, we have the angle. Now I am going to find area of the sector. Therefore area of the sector O, this is P, OPBQ is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square. R square 400 into 2 whole square, r square 400 into 2. Now by simplifying 4 the 90, 4 the 360, 400 the, right? So that is 22 into 200 by 7 centimeter square. This is sector area. Now I need required shaded region area. Required shaded region, how to get? From sector area subtract square area. Now area of shaded region. How to get area of shaded region? From the area of sector subtract area of square. OABC. From area of sector OPBQ. Subtract area of square. Area of sector is what? 22 into 200. 22 into 200 by 7 minus area of square 400. Now simplify this. 0 0 22 to the 4400 by 7 for the 28 2800 by 7. Now 4400 2000, subtract 2000 2400, again subtract 800 1000 1600, 2400 subtract 800 1600 by 7 centimeter square is the required shaded region area. Okay, now next problem. Problem number 14. AB and CD are respectively AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeters and 7 centimeters and center O if angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees, find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region. Right, now this is the given figure. Here we have 30 degrees angle, but we need to find this shaded region area. So radius of bigger sector is 21, radius of smaller sector is 7 centimeters. Now how to find this? First you find the area of bigger sector, next area of smaller sector, then subtract area of smaller sector from bigger sector, right? Now I am going to find area of shaded region, right? Solution. Given bigger sector radius. Bigger sector radius I am taking as R1 equal 21 centimeters, and I am denoting this OPQ, and this is OA. Bigger sector OPQ. Okay, radius R1, and smaller sector radius I am taking as R2. R2 is 7 centimeters, and smaller sector I am denoting by OAB. And given AOB is 30 degrees. This is the given information. Now I am finding the area of bigger sector. Therefore, area of bigger sector OPQ is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 degrees by 360 into pi into r square, 21 square. Right? 0 0 cancel, 3 on the 2 the. So this is pi by 12 into 21 square centimeter square. This is bigger sector area. Now smaller sector area. Area of smaller sector. Which is denoted by OAB. Is equal to, again formula, theta by here R1, theta by 360 into pi r2 square. What is theta? Again 30 degrees by 360 into pi r2 square, 7 square, 0 0 12. So this is pi by 12, 7 square. Now I need required shaded region area. Therefore shaded region area, shaded, therefore area of shaded region, area of shaded region, area of shaded region. How to get area of shaded region? That equal to area of sector, area of sector, sector OPQ. From OPQ subtract area of sector, area of sector OAB. Area of sector OPQ is pi by 12 into 21 square. Area of sector OAB is pi by 12 into 7 square. Now take pi by 12 common. Take pi by 12 common. 21 square minus 7 square. 21 square minus 7 square, how we can simplify? A square minus b square. Using a square minus b square, you can easily find out 21 plus 7, 21 minus 7. Pi by 12, 21, 28. This becomes 28, 21 minus 7, 14. 2, 6, 2, 7. Now, pi value, substituting pi value, 22 by 7 into 6 into 28 into 7. 7, 7 cancel. 6, 2, 3 is 2, 1 is 4. Right. So 14, 2 is 28, 8, 2 carry. 22 4 the 22 4s are 88, 8 8 carry, 22 1 the 22 plus 8, 30 by 8 centimeter square is the required shaded region area. Now next problem, problem number 15th problem. In the given figure, ABC is quadrant. ABC is quadrant. ABC is quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeters. Radius 14 centimeters. Okay, and semicircle and a semicircle. Semicircle and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. BC as diameter. Find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Now see the figure. This is ABC. ABC is right angle triangle, right? And we have one semicircle. BC as a diameter, we have one semicircle, and one semicircle BC. So we need to find this shaded region area. Okay, I will denote this by P. Here I am taking point. So here BCQ is semicircle, and this is sector. Which one? A, B, P, C is sector. And this is 90. See here, in the given figure, ABC is quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeters. So it is quadrant. Quadrant means it is 90 degrees. So what is radius? Radius is 14 centimeters. what I will do, already we have the radius and we have the angle. I will find the sector area. I will find the sector area and I will find the triangle area. Then after I need semicircle area. To get the semicircle area, we need radius of semicircle. What is the radius of semicircle? We don't know. We have the diameter of semicircle as BC. We have to find BC first. We have 14, this one 14. Both are radius of the quadrant, no? Radius of the quadrant. So I am using the Pythagoras theorem. I will find BC. First of all, right? See how I am going to find this. First I am going to find BC. Solution. In given figure, ABC is a right triangle. ABC, triangle ABC is right triangle, right? Now from that, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So 14 square plus 14 square. 14 square 196. 196 plus 196. 196 plus 196. 2 into 196. This is BC square. BC is equal to what again? 14 root 2. This is BC, which is diameter of the semicircle. Therefore, diameter of semicircle 14 root 2. Radius R is equal to 7 root 2. Diameter 14 root 2 means radius will be 7 root 2. Okay. Right. I got radius of semicircle. Now I am finding area of the semicircle. Therefore, area of semicircle. What is the area of semicircle? Pi r square by 2. R value 7 root 2. So pi is 22 by 7 into 2 r square. So 7 into 7 into 2. 7 root 2, no? So 7 2 times and square root cancel. Here 7 cancel. 2 cancel. 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 154 centimeter square. This is semicircle area. I got semicircle area 154 centimeter square. Now I am finding area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC. Half into base into height. Half into base 14, height 14. 7 4s are 28. 2 carry 7 1 7, 98. 99 centimeter square. 98 centimeter square triangle area. Right, now sector area. Sector OBBC area is equal to theta 90 degrees by 360. Pi value 22 by 7 r square. Now for this sector, what is the radius? 14. So 14 into 14. For this sector, radius is 14, right? For the 7 to the 2 to the 2 7 the again 22 7 to the 14 1 carry 7 to the 14 154. Now I am going to find shaded region here. So semicircle 154 and sector area also 154, but triangle area 98. Okay, right. Remember. Now required, therefore area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to, how to get area of semicircle? Area of semicircle minus area of sector minus, from area of sector we have to subtract area of triangle. Then after this area you can subtract from that. Area of triangle ABC. area of triangle ABC. Area of semicircle is 154 minus area of sector is 154 minus area of triangle 98. So by simplifying, 154 minus 154 plus 98, 154 cancel, this is 98 centimeter square is the required shaded region area. Okay.